You're watching Traveling Lord, where stories come alive and every journey is an adventure. In this video, we are heading to the beautiful city of Pokhara, the jewel of Nepal. Nestled beneath the Annapurna range, Pokhara is a place of lakes, caves, waterfalls, and Himalayan views that will steal your heart. Join me as we explore the top 10 best places to visit in Pokhara. Number 1. Phewa Lake. The heart of Pokhara is undoubtedly Phewa Lake. Stretching wide and calm, this lake reflects the Annapurna and Mahadev peaks like a mirror. Boating here during sunrise or sunset is a magical experience, with the famous Bindhyabasini Temple sitting peacefully on an island in the middle. Whether you're paddling across or just relaxing along the lakeside cafes, Phewa Lake is the perfect introduction to Pokhara's beauty. Number 2. Davis Falls. Just a short drive from the city center is Davis Falls, a powerful underground waterfall that disappears into a mysterious tunnel. Legend says it was named after a tourist, Mrs. Davis, who tragically drowned here in the 1960s. Today, the waterfall is a natural wonder and a favorite photography spot, especially during the monsoon when the water roars with incredible force. Number 3. Gupteshwor Mahadev Cave. Right across from Davis Falls lies the sacred Gupteshwor Mahadev Cave. This cave stretches deep into the earth, housing a revered Shiva Lingam shrine. As you walk further inside, you'll hear the thunder of Davis Falls cascading through the cave itself. The mix of spirituality and natural wonder makes Gupteshwar a must-visit. Number 4. Sarangkot Viewpoint. For the most breathtaking sunrise you will ever see, head to Sarangkot. At dawn, the Annapurna range glows golden, and Mahadev, the iconic fishtail mountain, stands proudly against the sky. Sarangkot is also Nepal's paragliding capital, where adventure seekers soar high above Phewa Lake, experiencing Pokhara from the skies. Number 5. World Peace Pagoda, Shanti Stupa. High on a hill overlooking Phewa Lake sits the World Peace Pagoda, or Shanti Stupa. Built by Buddhist monks, this shining white stupa symbolizes peace and harmony. To reach it, you can hike through forests, bike uphill, or even take a short boat ride across Phewa before climbing the trail. The panoramic views from the top of Pokhara, Phewa Lake, and the Annapurna range are unforgettable. Number 6. Bindhyabasini Temple. One of the oldest temples in Pokhara, Bindhyabasini Temple is dedicated to goddess Bhagwati, a form of Durga. It sits atop a small hill and is an important religious site for locals, especially during festivals. From here, you also get serene views of the Himalayas and the bustling Pokhara city below. Number 7. International Mountain Museum. Pokhara is the gateway to the Himalayas, and the International Mountain Museum tells the story of Nepal's mountains, climbers, and ethnic communities. Inside, you'll find fascinating exhibits about Everest expeditions, mountaineering equipment, and the culture of Himalayan people like Sherpas, Gurungs, and Thakalis. It's a place where adventure meets history. Number 8. Begnas Lake and Rupa Lake. If Phewa Lake feels too crowded, head out a little further to Begnas Lake and Rupa Lake. These twin lakes are quieter, surrounded by lush hills and villages. Begnas is especially popular for boating and fishing, while Rupa offers peaceful trails and bird watching. Together, they show the calm, rural side of Pokhara away from the busy tourist hub. Number 9. Mahendra Cave and Bat Cave. Pokhara is full of caves, but the most popular are Mahendra Cave and the nearby Bat Cave. Mahendra Cave is filled with stalactites and stalagmites, while Bat Cave, as the name suggests, is home to thousands of bats clinging to its walls. Exploring these caves feels like stepping into an underground adventure. Number 10. Lakeside Pokhara. Finally, no trip to Pokhara is complete without experiencing Lakeside. This vibrant area along Phewa Lake is full of cafes, restaurants, live music, yoga centers, and shops. It's where travelers from around the world gather, sharing stories, enjoying the view, and soaking up Pokhara's laid-back atmosphere. By day, it's a relaxing place to walk. By night, it comes alive with lights and music. Pokhara is more than just a city, it's an experience. From majestic mountains and peaceful lakes to sacred temples and thrilling adventures, every corner has a story to tell. Whether you're seeking spirituality, adrenaline, or serenity, Pokhara welcomes you with open arms. This was the top 10 best places to visit in Pokhara with me on Traveling Lord. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because the next adventure is always just around the corner. Until then, keep exploring.